Okay, one more thing to talk about here, and then we'll get into the live demo. Maintenance windows. So maintenance windows are created on a per device basis, and you can multi-select devices if you want time. They can be set for one-time or reoccurring windows. And during a maintenance window, any alerts that happen on the affected devices will be suppressed. They'll be flagged as in maintenance in the web interface, so you'll be able to tell that that device is in maintenance and differentiate that from an acknowledged device and an up device. So you can actually see here the top one is up, the middle one is down, but it's been acknowledged, and the bottom one is in a maintenance window. So it makes it very obvious that it's a maintenance window and not an outage. Also, anytime in maintenance is removed from uptime report. So if I have only scheduled downtime during a month, running an uptime report is still going to show 100% uptime for me. And you can close maintenance windows early if you complete maintenance and start all of the monitoring again. Important to remember, alarms that happen during the maintenance will not create incidents. So once the actual maintenance window is closed, if the device or service is still down, it will open a new incident at that time.